In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a card site mobile-friendly. Card sites are responsive out of the box, but a few thoughtful tweaks can make a big difference on smaller screens. We'll walk through fine-tuning what's already there, so your site feels clean, readable, and easy to use on phones. Start by opening your site in the card editor and switching to mobile view using the phone icon. This is the most accurate way to see what visitors on a phone will experience. As you browse through your pages, watch for elements that feel cramped, images that push past the screen, or text that wraps awkwardly. Use this view as your baseline while you make adjustments. When you spot something to refine, click that element in Mobile View and go to Appearance, then switch the mobile toggle to Manual. This creates mobile-only settings so your desktop design stays intact. Nudge sizes down where needed, tighten or expand margins and padding to create breathing room, and adjust alignment so headlines, images, and buttons feel balanced. Narrower images and slightly smaller margins often help, but aim for clarity over cramming. If an element feels too small to read or tap, scale it back up. Because phone users scroll vertically, stack content in a way that feels natural. Use containers and columns to guide flow, and make sure multi-column sections collapse into a clean, readable order. Avoid squeezing text and buttons side by side if space is tight. It's better to let elements stack and keep comfortable spacing than to force a cramped layout. Keep each section focused so the user can quickly scan, scroll, and understand. Simplify your navigation for touch. Long horizontal menus can be frustrating on small screens. Consider a mobile-friendly menu pattern and use visibility controls to hide complex desktop navigation on mobile, replacing it with a simpler list of key links. Short labels and clear hierarchy make it easy to move around without zooming or mistapping. Double-check buttons and text for comfort and legibility. Make touch targets large enough so they're easy to hit. Keep adequate space between interactive elements, and choose font sizes that read well without pinching to zoom. Good line height and strong color contrast improve readability on the go. Finally, simplify backgrounds and images. Busy visuals can overwhelm tiny screens, and heavy files slow down loading on mobile networks. Use lighter images where possible, and if a background is essential to your design, enable background-friendly mode so content remains clear in front of it. Keep previewing in mobile view as you go, and refine until everything feels effortless to use.